Hey everybody, Dr. Ben Pearl here with Fit4U. So today we're talking about 3D printed orthotics, and for the people that are scared of how to do the finishes, here is a great finish. This is from my buddy and colleague, Dr. Brian Kentner. He's got a little racing stripe thing that's like a peel off and press. I mean, this is like stuff you did with art projects when you were a kid. So first you apply it, you press it in, you get all the air, squeegee that out. That's what I'll be doing. Then you just get your scissors and you start cutting away to the contours of the orthotic. Okay, here we go. So this is the finished product. This is the negative. All I did in between here is I stuck it in, cut the edges, filed a little bit here just with the sanding grinder just to give it a nice smooth finish. Folks, this is about as easy as screwing a light bulb or cutting some holiday decorations out of construction paper. Peel and stick. Till next time, this is Dr. Ben Pearl with your tech tip of the day with Fit4U.